Okay, guys, some people don't know the kind of food to go about taking this time around because of summer weather and the kind of food that gonna better your body, build your body from inside out. But then again, we are not making a health claims. So before we start, please, if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on your notification. Thank you. So what did we have in stock for you guys? We have watermelon. Guys, this watermelon many people neglected, you might feel like you've eaten it a lot or you don't buy the idea of grabbing it. Why? Because it comes with a lot of water. Guys, this video gonna encourage you to keep eating it even if you're not eating it ordinary time. Guys, the time for you to eat it is now. This kind of fruit for that is good for every family. Every family needed or should try this time around. So before we begin, guys, pardon my video, the way I'm filming the video. Just pardon me. So before we begin, the first thing you need to do is for you to, grab your watermelon, wash it. Guys, I do a lot to encourage you on how to be using salt to wash whatever you get from market, whatever you buy out there, especially eatable ones. Make sure you use salt to wash it. Why? Because all this comes from the farm. Not only that, it's not only you that touches it, many hands have touched it before you touch your own. So that's why you get to watch it. Guys, let's view nature a bit before we continue. So guys, I'm currently in the garden because why am I putting this here is because we preach about healthy eating here. Guys, the more we preach about healthy eating, that's the way we also preach about, health, as in taking a workout. Guys, before, because all these things gonna better you when you eat right and also take a workout. You're gonna stay healthy. Okay, guys, we finish washing our watermelon. Guys, slice it. Make sure if you want to buy the fresh one. Make sure you know the one that is okay. Just kindly grab the fresh one, wash it, slice it. Guys, we've been, everybody would like, I know how to cut it now. What is there in cutting watermelon? But I tell you, it's not cutting it verbally, anyhow you want it, because as in presenting your food or cutting your fruit as you like, gonna sometimes makes you not to have appetite eating them. But when you cut them right and present it right, even if you don't want to eat such fruit before, you'll be prompt to keep eating it. Fruit is not a type like fruit is not like food you would say, I've eaten this a lot. You've never even completed the 30 varieties of fruits and veggies our body craves for every day. But as in we are not expecting to be as in perfect on that. What we preach here is for you to keep grabbing little every day. Make sure each food you eat, you side veggies or fruits on it. So that's what this platform is talking about. So guys, grab it, slice it in a good form. Guys, not only that you slice it in a good form, I'm gonna also show you, once you didn't skip this video, I'm gonna also show you on how you're gonna be presenting your fruit, because like they said, your eyes will firstly eat before your mouth. So good food, as in eyes eats first when you see good thing, so our eyes will firstly eat. So when you present it very well, your eyes will definitely attract to it firstly before your mouth, grab it. So guys, even if the fruit doesn't taste so sweet or the veggie doesn't taste so sweet, that's the good of presenting your stuff very well. guys. Even if such food does not taste sweet or it doesn't, yeah, as in only you seeing it well presented can attract you to eat it, can even makes it to, taste sweet. Why? Because you present it very well. The plate you use to put it, the cup you use to put it, even if it is the one you are using cup or plate. So guys, that's why I say once you come across my channel, guys, you've bettered yourself. It's not a coincidence coming across my channel. Why? Because you can, create a timetable from all the recipes I'm putting here. Yeah, because we search for things we eat on our daily basis. Guys, we search for food to eat, as in there are many food out there, but do you know the one that can better you? As in, we go for the healthy one, like non-starches and proteinous kind of food in nature, watery kind of food in fruits in nature or veggies in nature. So that's the kind of food we crave for, our body crave for. Because if you are talking about food, bread is there, snacks are there, many things are there to be eaten to stupor or to be eaten anyhow. But because we just want to better our body, that's why we don't try to fuel our body with all the recipes we see. So we are selecting it. I don't know about another person, but that's what my platform is signifying. So we are selecting the recipes we eat, the one that can build us from inside out, so that we can, build our body health wise. Guys, we are not making a health claims, but we go with the experience based on the things we've been eating, and it has been nourishing us, it has been bettering our lives, our body. So we can't just bring things that have never better to showcase to others. You firstly try, as in, to see how the thing goes on you. Guys, this is not that is coming from me. Guys, you need to hear from the horse's mouth. It's even scientifically proved that, veggies and fruits are very, very good on our body. So you wouldn't say I'm the one lamenting. Not at all. Guys, please grab some fruit today after watching this, and thanks for watching. Guys, thanks for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.